Hello everyone, welcome to this video guide. I'll be showing you how to send Bitcoin from Revolut to your Trust wallet, step by step. So let's get started. First, open Trust wallet. On the main screen, tap on Fund. Choose Receive from another wallet. You'll see Bitcoin among the list of crypto assets displayed. Tap on the copy icon beside it to copy that address to your clipboard. You'll need it in the next step. Next, switch over to your Revolut app. From the home screen, tap on Crypto and then tap Send. Select Bitcoin from your list of assets displayed. Revolut will now ask you where you want to send your Bitcoin to. Choose the option to add wallet address. It will then show tabs at the top asking whether or not you're sending to your wallet or someone else's. When it's your own, you just need to enter the wallet address and then a label so that you can recognize which wallet the address is for. If you tap on someone else's, you'll be asked to provide the recipient's last and first name. Let's send to my wallet. Paste the Trust wallet address you copied earlier into the field provided. Click Continue, and your wallet address will then be added. Now, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Once that's done, tap Review your transfer. Revolut might ask you to verify the transaction with a code or biometric login, depending on your settings. Once confirmed, the transaction will begin processing. It usually takes a few minutes depending on network congestion, but you can track the status from within both apps. Your Bitcoin is now on its way to your Trust wallet. If this was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more how-to guides, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.